are crying, I'll ruin the whole
It's
thing.
like 10:31 and it cannot be the finale. It just turned dark.
Hold on. Stop.
I'm saying go.
I think I'm so many feet closer, so we can make the whole thing.
Is that from the school? I wonder if that's from the school.
Yeah. Or someone else. Mom, thank you for that. Wait to celebrate. Wow. Well, listen, you said it's too early for that. It's too bad.
Yeah, but that can't be the finale. It's way too early. My phone is having trouble focusing.
No, stop. Stop, you're getting my scene.
Elizabeth, you don't tell her.
But I'm recording.
No.
But I'm recording. This is part 3 of...
Okay. When somebody's having fun, you don't tell them.
Oh, come on.
No.
Fine.
So you have
Okay.
See how I'm not telling people anything?
Who cares about the video? Just live in the moment.
Who cares about videos?
Yes.
Boring.
Yes.
Jesus even didn't have to
You're
make
becoming a mini
tablets
angel.
and phones. They could just
You're becoming a mini angel.
on TV.
Oh, look at all the smoke. Well, look at that one.
The tablet. This is my tablet. And okay, not grateful. I'm the most ungrateful person ever. No. This is widow. This is widow.
Why are you circling me?
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh my god. My favorite parts.
Oh gosh. Maybe this is their finale.
This is the brightest firework I've ever seen. This is the brightest firework I've seen.
That's honestly probably their finale. 4 minutes of straight fireworks so far. Ooh.
Okay, this part could be long too.
Yeah.
That's
It's
part
4
2.
minutes of straight fireworks.
9 minutes. 9.
5 minutes? Oh gosh.
9.
9.
Yes.
Oh
This
gosh.
is so long.
Yay!
This is long. This is gonna be the longest part ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, girl.
Okay. Do this.
Are you guys circling me? Recording with my left hand, it might be kind of shaky. Sorry.
Okay, now it's 10.
10 minutes straight?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be the longest part.
Maybe this is actually their finale. I don't know. They just set off all their fireworks at once.
Let's get it end.
They just set off all their fireworks at once. Like, well, that's what it does. That's definitely from the school. No way anybody can also afford that.
But how do you make some fireworks on a store or in school?
Well, they make fundraisers and stuff and GoFundMes and like that. so they can afford big events like this. And those fireworks are expensive. What are you doing? My arm is getting
I
tired.
have more energy left.
Recording with right hand is less shaky.
What?
I was telling the audience I'm recording with my right hand now. Because I switched to my left hand because I was getting so tired.
And we're not playing tag.
Tag on the trampoline.
We're not playing tag. We have to catch the final moment. We have to catch the moments.
Wait, how many minutes? 20 minutes, gosh.
Oh my god. This could be the longest part.
According to your tablet, it's 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
What are you doing?
I was recording the time. According to my phone, it's actually 6 minutes. But it's okay.
Let me see.
6 minutes right here.
Well, mine's 12. What the heck?
Maybe the time on your tablet moves faster.
Please.